This video we will see how to install 5 tools. Number 1, R. Number 2, Rcmdr package from R. Number 3, RStudio. Number 4, LibreOffice. And finally, my installing R. Install R for Windows. Open Google and search. Download R for Windows. Click on the first link as it gives you the latest version of R, which is 3.6.2 for Windows. Click on the download button. After R has been downloaded, open it. Click OK. Click Next, 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 Next. If you want a desktop shortcut, you can check this option. Click Next to install it. Finally, click Finish. To open R, double click on it. Installing Rcmdr package from R. In this video we will see how to install Rcmdr package inside R. So open R and type install.packages within parentheses in double quotes capital R small cmdr and press enter. You can select any mirror here. I'm selecting UK London 1. Click on OK. This takes about 10 to 50 minutes depending on your internet connection. So after Rcmdr has been installed, to load the library, type library within parentheses capital R small cmdr and press enter. It might ask you to install some dependencies, so accept it and click yes and then click OK. This will take around 10 minutes or 15 minutes depending on your internet connection. So finally we can see the Rcmdr window, which means installing RStudio. In this video we will see how to install RStudio for Windows. Open Google and search download RStudio for Windows. Select the first link. Click on download. Then click on download RStudio for Windows. After RStudio has been downloaded, click on it to open it. Click Next, Next, and finally click Install. Now the RStudio has been installed successfully. Click Finish. To open RStudio, go to Start and search. This is the RStudio. Installing LibreOffice. In this video we will see how to install LibreOffice for Windows. Here I have the installation file with me. Click next, click next, click install. Click finish. So LibreOffice has been installed successfully. Installing my In this video we will see how to install MySQL for Windows. Here I have the MySQL installer community version 8.0.18. You have to select the developer default. Click next, click next, click on yes. Make sure you have three things here. Number 1, MySQL server. Number 2, MySQL workbench. Number 3, MySQL documentation. Click on execute. This takes about 10 to 20 minutes. Click next, click next. You have to select the standalone MySQL server. Click next, click next, click next. So by default your username will be root in small letters, which is ROOT, and you have to set the password here. Remember, you have to use this password to log in MySQL. Click next, next, and execute. Click on next, click on finish, click next. So by default your username is root, ROOT, and password you have to type the one that you set during the installation. Click on check, and if this shows you the green signal, it means that the connection is successful. Click finish, click next, and finally click finish. So this is the MySQL workbench. To log in MySQL workbench, go to database, click on connect to database. So by default your username is root. Click on OK, and you have to type the password here. So you have successfully logged in MySQL workbench. This video is brought to you by DataBrew Academy. Thank you.